Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the GUSGU USB-C to C charging cable. If you're looking for a reliable charging solution, stick around as we explore 8 standout features that make this cable a great choice. Quality: countless accidents are caused by low-quality charging cables that short-circuit and catch fire. That's why we put our USB-C to USB-C charging cable through thousands of rigorous tests and experiments, including short-circuit testing, temperature testing, and bending testing. Equipped with high-performance battery cores and premium materials, our cable provides double protection for your charging safety. 60W Pro Fast Charging supports 60W power fast charging, providing more than twice the charging efficiency of the original Type-C cable for iPhone 15. It can charge an iPhone 15 and a Galaxy S23 to full capacity in less than an hour. Offers a high-speed data transfer rate of up to 480 megabits per second, enabling effortless transfer of large files, while allowing simultaneous charging and data transfer. High strength: our high-strength braided cable, made with metal braided material, is highly resistant to wear and bite, and has been tested to withstand over 90,000 bends and cuts. This guarantees durability and longevity for each cable. Pet-proof: pets can sometimes have a tendency to chew on your phone or computer charging cables. Our USB-C cable is designed to withstand your pet's biting habits, eliminating the need to frequently replace your USB charging cables. Wide compatibility: works seamlessly with iPhone 15 USB to USB-C cable, iPad Pro 12.9-inch 6th/5th/4th/3rd, iPad Pro 11-inch 4th/3rd/2nd/1st, 2022/2021/2020/2018, iPad Air 5th, 2022, iPad Air 4th, 2020, iPad Mini 6th Gen, 2021, device. So there you have it. It's incredible features of the GUSGU USB-C to C charging cable. From fast charging to its durable design, this cable truly stands out among the competition. Product link in the video description. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.